Scheduling media in CloudPush. Go to the dashboard's left menu and select Schedule to Play. Next, click on Add Schedule and enter a name for your schedule. Then, choose the screen you want to schedule for. After that, click on the plus icon in the Content panel. Initially, choose Weekday Menu Playlist in Content panel. Then click on Everyday option. Here, you have the option to schedule your media for display by choosing a day, time, or date. Now choose Monday through Friday to plan your media schedule. Next, specify the time duration for displaying your media on the screen. You also have the option to include specific dates for playing your media. Simply click on the Add button. Now I'm selecting the Weekend Menu Playlist. Press the Everyday option. Here I am scheduling my media for Saturday and Sunday. Following that, I click on Add Specific Time and specify the duration for showing my media file. As previously said, you can also add specific date to schedule your media to display on screen. Click on the Add button. This is how your scheduled preview will appear. Finally, select Create or Create and Play to finish. Once you have arranged the playlist, just press play and you'll see your media playing on the Android TV screen.